Hello guys, and this is my tack vest. It's very comfortable, very comfortable. As you can see, there's a little mesh up here on the shoulder pads. It has mesh within the sides of the thing. Hydration pack for your camel pack right in there. Bear with me, I'm gonna roll it you. It has this pocket, which I currently keep my shooting glove in. It's made for it has a couple M4 or any clip mags. Is 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe these. I think these are just pistol pouches. 4, 5. Then coolers. I mean, by saying coolers, I mean, I guarantee these are made for water, because when you go in there, it's cool thing. I keep a belt in there just in case. I don't need a belt in there. It's nice in there. And right there, I currently keep my knife. I don't think I have a video on this, so why not show this out? This is my little nice little country camo knife. And I just keep that right up on the strap up here. I have my little pen in there. Then in another pouch. I got something in this pouch. People I recommend. Self-sticking tape. What I mean by self-sticking, I mean you put this on your gun and it's not sticky at all. Wallet. What you do is you wrap it around the gun and it sticks to itself. Really cool, I think. Here, let me find my little rifle. I'll show you what I mean by it. Before I grab my rifle, I'm going to show you the back of it. See, you see camo back. Nice in there. You got a couple of things where you can put pouches on. Then you got these rolling things. See if you want to put more pouches on. Let's see if it's not enough. If it's not enough or anything. My rifle's right below me, so it's my little brother's rifle actually. It's not mine. I don't have any rifles yet because I'm a new guy. As I was saying, there's the tape on it. I use it for a cheek thing, right there. It doesn't make any rash things. Really good grip. I'll be doing a loadout thing before I do this. Even though I should do my loadout with this actually, but it made a lot more sense. I use Condor. I don't use Ranger. I don't use any of that stuff. I use typical Condor. Thank you for bearing with me on all the parts I've been, being a turtle on. And I hope to see you guys on the airsoft marketing and stuff on Facebook. Really good place. A lot of friendly faces. Really nice group of people. Just don't be caught being a jackass or you'll be kicked out of the group. Thank you guys. I'll be coming back with more video of my loadout, my jacket.